First house of the day on a snowy day. What a beautiful day. Well, I told you guys I only use gloves when it's like a little chilly outside, and obviously it's pretty cold outside today. Oh my gosh, what an idiot I am, bro. Oh, dude, I hate this. I hate when that happens. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. There's a lot of snow outside, but rain, snow, tornado, whatever it is, we gotta go and clean these bins. As you can see from the first bin, if the trash company has not picked up their trash by the time I get to the house, I gotta bag them, which sucks. That's why we usually do service on the next day after trash pickup, but some of them, they get picked up, like today's a Monday, and I got no choice. I gotta do it. We got 10 stops today, not too bad. I'm hoping that everything is good with this truck. I did get like a little stutter on the highway. I was going and then it was like doo, doo, doo. I'm just easily pushing this thing right now. I do not need this thing to break down. Please, God, get us through another 4 to 5 months so we can get another truck. All right, we're currently on house number 5. We're going pretty quick today. This house is probably my easiest house on the route. It's a 1 bin monthly, so it's not really dirty all the time. Sometimes it stinks like stinky dookie, but that's about it. That literally took me 4 minutes. 4 minutes, bro? Bro, that took me less than 4 minutes. That's crazy. I'm such a freaking beast. We making money. Bruh, look at that. Amazing. Oh my gosh, bro. This is amazing. Yo, that's a good example. 7 minutes it took me to clean that bin, but y'all saw I had to bag it. I had like stuff stuck in the lid. Okay, so this next house that we're going to is literally smack dead center in the city. So it's a 3 bin. I gotta be fast. I gotta be so fast. There's a lot of cops that sit there, but whew, I'm gonna try to get it done quick. I said there's 2 cops right here. There's a police station right there. Hello, police. Me very good. Hey, at least I found a parking spot. Usually I don't. So now we could take a little time. We got that Mr. Beast meat stick. Oh, I'm so hungry. So hungry. Baby. That was a cold one today, I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of cold. It was super windy. The street that I said that had a lot of cops on it, dude, my bin, one of the bins, because it was a 3 bin, one of the bin like went flying to the cop car. Dude, I sprinted over there and I had to like stop it because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm about to get arrested right now. Nah, but yeah, we finished the route. We had 10 on the route today. It was smooth. Y'all saw a little, I got a little tripod now. It's hard for me to put that up sometimes because sometimes I'm just trying to go like get in and get out. So that's why I got the other camera, like a POV kind of version. I'm gonna try to be posting these videos once a week. I was thinking about doing some like throughout the week, but right now, since we have a good amount every single day, I'm just gonna keep posting it once a week. Peace out.